Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Prostaglandin analogues and their action. PGE2 or PGI2 is used in pulmonary hypertension. This PGE2 or PGI2 keeps the ductus arteriosus patent. PGE2 and PGI2 has an anti-aggregatory action. Then PGE2 or PGF2 alpha. PGE2 is actually the drug dinoproston, whereas PGF2 alpha is a carboprost. This dinoproston and carboprost is actually important in inducing the abortion. Then we have misoprostol. Misoprostol is used in induction of labor. It is important in induction of labor. In the first few weeks, it causes induction of labor, that is misoprostol. Then carboprost. This carboprost is important in postpartum hemorrhage. Then PGE2 or PGI2 is important in bronchodilation and it is also used in the asthma. Then misoprostol. Misoprostol is a specific drug which is used in the treatment of peptic ulcer due to NSAID use. It is used due to NSAID use. The peptic ulcer due to NSAID use is misoprostol. Then PGE2 or PGI2 is important and it causes natriuresis and it also causes vasodilatation. PGF2 alpha will increase the uveoscleral outflow and thus these congeners are used in the glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.